What I love most about the river is it gives me the opportunity to reset my thoughts. The river feeds my soul. My name is Chad Brown. I'm the founder and president of Soul River Inc. I'm a Navy veteran. At Soul River Inc., we merge veterans and at-risk youth together through an outdoor environmental education curriculum. That curriculum lends itself to fly fishing 101. Fly fishing can be a really strong way to bring two groups together and build a community. I use fly fishing as a way to thread a veteran and a youth together. It's a mechanism that helps build a communication platform, a conversation, basically on the water. I think my highlight is actually getting on the water with all the youth and vets. When you involve the elements of fly fishing, like everything from fly tying and looking at the river, how to read the river, the currents, etc., that brings both worlds together where you see veterans that are mentoring the youth, but the reality is that it's the youth that's actually mentoring us. They serve for their country, and now they're serving our youth. They actually see them as like a brother or sister. It feels like the type of family, like if you ever need help and if you're ever in a situation, by default, it doesn't matter who you are, black, brown, white, whatever, we have your back. Family is about trust, it's about support, it's about community, it's about being able to lend a hand to that other person. I can't identify home as a structure. I think home to me is more of being able to connect with the lives in the community and to be able to find my place as a role model. It humbles me a lot, it makes me proud.